Stop for a second and ask yourself this. When was the last time you truly trusted yourself? Not pretended to be confident, not acted strong, but actually believed that you could handle whatever life put in front of you. If that feeling feels distant, you are not broken. You are human. Confidence doesn't disappear all at once. It fades quietly after rejection, after failure, after being criticized, after giving your best and still feeling like it wasn't enough. Little by little, you stop raising your hand, you stop speaking up, you stop trying. Not because you can't, but because believing again feels risky. The truth is, confidence isn't loud and it isn't dramatic. Confidence is built in silence, in the moments when no one is watching, when you show up even though you don't feel ready, when you choose action over comfort. Confidence is not the absence of fear, it's the decision to move forward while fear is still there. If you're waiting to feel confident before you act, you'll be waiting forever, because confidence is the reward, not the requirement. It comes after you try, after you fail, after you stand back up. Start small, almost uncomfortably small. Make one promise to yourself today and keep it. Finish the task, send the message, do the thing you said you would do. Every promise you keep strengthens your self-trust, and self-trust is where real confidence begins. Now, think about the voice in your head, the one that tells you you're not good enough, that you always mess things up, that you should stay quiet and stay safe. That voice is not truth, it's habit. Change the language, not with fake positivity, but with honesty. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "This is hard, but I'm learning." Instead of, "I always fail," say, "I've survived worse than this." The way you speak to yourself shapes how you see yourself, and how you see yourself shapes what you believe you can do. Stop comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. You are not behind, you are becoming. Confidence grows when you focus inward, when you measure progress by growth, not by perfection. And remember this, the people you admire, the ones who seem unshakable, they doubted themselves too. They were scared too. They just didn't let doubt make their decisions. So today, don't try to be fearless. Just be brave for 5 minutes. Take one step. Keep one promise. Trust yourself again. Not because you're perfect, but because you're willing to grow. You don't need to become someone new. You just need to return to the version of you who believes you can figure things out. You're closer than you think.